friends, Running Kimono here. It is Sunday, June the 16th. Happy Father's Day weekend. We're doing a video in store today, and I actually got a triple stack, rocking and rolling. It was a really big money maker, and I'm going to share all the deals, including a whole bunch of clearance as well. If you could do me a huge kindness and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, it really helps out the channel and helps me out. If you could take a quick second and like this video, I would be so grateful. So the first order of business that we're going to discuss are the $1.99 Doritos. So I believe it's any flavor, and it has to be the bags that are 9 to 10.75 ounces, so the larger bags. And this coupon, you will find, they print them out. They're found at the register or where they have a big stack of newspapers. I'm pretty sure you can grab one of them. They should have them printed out for you today when you go into the store. And it's just like, hey, here are some of our deals. And this is the coupon. Now, I will let you know if you try and grab a screenshot of this and ask a cashier to scan it off of your phone, they may and they also may not. I think it's in the employee manual not to scan any coupons off of a cell phone, but some might allow it. So I don't know, depending where you live. The Doritos chips are $6.29 on a promotion of buy one, get one 50% off. So the first will be $1.99 and the second will be $3 and some change. So be very mindful. This coupon is only once per transaction. I did 3 separate transactions and I got 3 bags for $1.99. For a summer cookout, it's just a really great item to have, but they did manipulate that pricing with the BOGO 50% off. So just be very mindful of that. If you were going to fill up a cart with 7,000 bags, the first one will be $1.99 and the rest you're probably going to do a bit of crying because the math will be augmented. Just be mindful of that. Although I didn't try to buy 2, I saw the tag of BOGO 50% off and I'm like, I'm not going to risk that because I've seen that before at Walgreens and I'm like, I didn't really want too many, but just be mindful of that. But good luck, guys. $1.99 is a crazy stock up price when you consider these bags are usually $6.29 for one of them. The next fantastic deal is on the Arm & Hammer for $1.99. Like, this is a stock up price if I've ever heard or seen of one. There are some bottles that are 21 loaders and some that are 28. I would definitely try and get the 28 loads. And the scent beads are in fact included this week. I checked Ibotta. There is no rebate at this time for these guys. What is not included are the laundry pods. And I know a lot of us, we really enjoy that. They're near the display, but they're not part of the display. If you scan it, it's like on a different promotion this week of BOGO free or something like that, but like buy 2 get 2 for free. Just be mindful of that. So the liquid or the scent beads, grabbing 5 of them for $9.95. If you might have $10 in Walgreens cash, use it and pay tax. And remember, you're doing this deal with no booster. If you're a newer couponer working on building up your stockpile, those scent beads are magic. I definitely would grab some. Another super deal is this $3 coupon printed for me this morning. And I'm like, what? After I did a big transaction, it printed and it's $3 off of any free and clear all product. This week, they're $4.99. So it makes this bottle of all $1.99. That is a stock up price in my book. So I grabbed one of those. Let's talk about some quick little freebies that include the Optic White priced at $4. $3 register reward when you buy 2 of them, showing you the tag. Now I'm going to let you guys know a little secret. That 5 off 2 digital coupon is in fact from last week. So if you did the deal last week, you can't do it 2 weeks consecutive. Just to let you know that. Sorry guys, it is the way that it is. So grabbing 2 of these Colgate products, that would be 8. Subtracting your digital coupon, you're going to pay 3. Get back a $3 register reward, making the 2 tubes free. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. You can grab the paste or the toothbrushes, or you can grab one of each, whichever combination you wish to do. We're going to be on the hunt for 2 $3 Oral-B and Crest products. I know that toothpaste is $3.50, but let's just pretend it's $3. We have a $2 off and then $1 off for the Oral-B. Now, last week, the register reward was not printing for this, even though it's in the flyer. So just be very mindful of that. If you're at a super strict store, you might have to get in touch with Catalina or Walgreens because it's not printing. So 2 of those products at $3 each. It's 6. Subtracting your digital coupon, you're going to pay 3. Get back a $3 register reward, making it free. And it is okay to use Walgreens Cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Here's a deal that I really like on the Tresemme that's 2 for $12. Buy 2 of these, you get back a $5 register reward, and we have this guy, which is a 5 off of 2, so make sure you have it loaded. I'm also going to let you know the Walgreens app was acting a bit funny this morning too, so if you can't load coupons, it's not just you. I was having issues too. Grabbing 2 of these for $12, subtracting your digital coupon, you're going to pay $7, get back a $5 register reward, making it 2 for $2 or $1 per shampoo or shampoo and conditioner, and it is okay to use Walgreens Cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. The next deal that we're going to look at is with the Scott paper towel and toilet paper priced at $5. This is on a promotion of buy one, get one at 50% off. You don't have to load anything. It's just a promotion right there. You will have to load are the 2 digital coupons. We have $1 off for the paper towel and $1 off for the toilet paper. And this is the sort of meat and potato things that most of us, if you can stock up, you stock up, especially after 2020. All of us stock up on this stuff. Grabbing 1 of each, it's $7.50. Subtracting your $2 in digitals, you're going to pay $5.50 for the 2 or $2.75 per Scott product. It is okay to use Walgreens Cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Now we're looking at these big soft soaps. They are massive refills. They are $5.99 this week. $2 register reward when you buy 2 of them. But hang on to your wallet for a second. We also have a very generous 4 off of 2 digital manufacturer. So make sure you guys have this guy loaded for this deal. So 2 of these guys will be $11.98. Subtracting your digital coupon, you're going to pay $7.98. Get back a $2 register reward. It's $5.98 for the 2 or $2.99 per massive thing of hand soap. And it is okay to use Walgreens Cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. Here's a tricky one, guys. We have a BOGO 50% off on the Nivea, $5 of Walgreens Cash when you buy 2, and there's supposed to be a 5 off 2 digital coupon, and I didn't get it on either account, but it's Sunday. It might populate tomorrow or Tuesday, so but if you might have it, because I've seen on social media, some people have it, grabbing 2 of these, it's $11.98. Subtracting that digital, you're paying $6.98, getting back $5 in Walgreens Cash, making it $1.98 for the 2 or 99 cents per Nivea. And it is okay to use Walgreens Cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. I am so happy with the deal that I did. I got a triple stack going. The 10 back when you spend 40, which is a weekly deal. The 10 back when you spend 35 on summer essentials, and hair care is part of it. And then I had a paper booster of 5 back when you spend 25. That's $25 back on a $40 basket. Like, wow. And it worked. And I'm going to show you at the very end. What I grabbed for my basket was 2 of the Nexxus products that are buy 2, get back a $10 register reward, and then 2 of the Tresemme hair products at $14. Buy 2, get back a $5 register reward. Now for the Nexxus, $16 for these gorgeous shampoos. It's the smaller bottles. There was a larger one last week that was $16, but not this week. And we have a $3 digital that is attaching to these products. Usually I think they're like $20. So this is a really good price at $16, and it's a $10 register reward when you spend $20. So I also got 2 of the Tresemme like hairsprays. Don't have a lot of hairspray in my stockpile, and they are 2 for $14, the larger cans that I got, and we have this digital coupon, and it's on the promotion of buy 2 get back a $5 register reward. So I also threw in the paper booster at the top, and then 3 manufacturer register rewards from last week, so an extra $12. So looking at the math for this, 2 of those Nexxus shampoos at $16 a pop is $32. 2 of the hairsprays for $14 for a total of $46. Get the cashier to scan your paper booster of 5 when you spend 25, and then you have the 2 digital boosters loaded that I showed you at the front of the video. $8 in digital manufacturers melting off. And then I had $12 in manufacturer register rewards that the cashier scanned. I paid $26 with my debit card, got back $25 in Walgreens cash and $15 in register rewards. Photographed my receipt to the Fetch Rewards app for an extra 5,000 points back. Smart deal any way you look at it. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance, as it will monkey up your entire deal. To show you guys 5,000 points back from Fetch. The date is right there. I'm not making stuff up this morning. So this is just a fantastic deal any way you slice it or dice it. If you have not signed up for the Fetch Rewards app, link below. If you have a Taco Bell receipt or a McDonald's receipt or any receipt, you sign up for the app for the first time, use my referral code. I think you're given between $2 to $5 back. So it's definitely worth signing up. And then your points amount to gift cards. It's a very easy app to use. So if you want to sign up, the link is in the notes. To show you guys, here it is, $25 of Walgreens cash. I mean, this was a triple stack and a lot of magic. The next deal that we're going to look at is just using this. If you'd only have this, which is a 10 back when you spend 40. This basket is kind of similar, but I changed a couple of things. 2 Tresemes for $14, and then 2 Tide products at $12.99 a pop, giving back a $4 register reward, and then a $1.99 bag of Doritos, because I think everybody needs that. You're absolutely going to need the cashier to scan your bag of Doritos, because it's going to go from $6.99 down to $1.99. But it's not going to affect your math, and you're only getting one, so you're following the promotion. And then you're going to load these 2 $3 digital manufacturers. Make sure you have them loaded for 6 off. And then this guy, which is a 5 off of 2 for those gorgeous hairsprays. So looking at the math for this, guys, 2 of the Tide products at $12.99 a pop is $25.98. 2 Tresemes for $14 and 1 bag of Dorito for $1.99. Your total is $41.97. You have $11 in digitals coming off that I showed you in the slides previous. 6 for Tide, 5 for Tresemme. With your debit card, you're going to pay $30.97. Get back $10 in Walgreens cash for the 1 booster, and then $9 back in register rewards. 4 for Tide and 5 for Tresemme. So it makes it $11.97 for the 5 products, or $2.39 per product. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance, as you're using the booster of spend 40, get back 10. Okay, so before I take off into the big sunset, we're going to talk about school supply clearance at 90% off. So while you're in the store looking for these deals, you might want to walk through that section with some of these school supplies. It's never too soon to buy some of this stuff. We have this little compass kit, 33 cents. I think every household should have one of those. You never know when you might need it, or for your kids. We have a scientific calculator, 90% off for $1.49. If it was a little bit larger, I definitely would have bought it. We have these really cool pencils for 78 cents. I remember years ago they used to always be free, but not anymore. And then we have these Pilot, some sort of like pen or something like that. They look pretty cool, 48 cents. Also, makeup, very, very cheap. Definitely every store is different with the makeup. Thus, I really don't want to give matchups that people can't follow. I noticed that this stuff isn't in the app because I think so many people were putting in orders that the employees were probably like overwhelmed. But this one, if you can line it up, it's these L'Oreal lippies at $3.49. Always ask for a price check too. They are ringing up BOGO 50% off, and we have a 10 off of 2. So if you grab 4 of them at that price of $3.29, it should be $10.47 on a BOGO 50% off. Subtracting the $10 digital coupon, you're paying 47 cents for 4 of those lip products, which is a steal of a deal. That is in-store only because I can't seem to line this up on the app. Scan everything and then ask the cashier for, like, is this ringing up BOGO 50? Because you don't want to grab 3 and then 1 at regular price because it's going to just ruin your deal. You really got to watch that register like a hawk. But if you can line up the math of clearance makeup applying with digital coupons, make it happen. You can't use like a $9 of clearance makeup with a $10 digital to get overage at Walgreens. That's not how it works. You have to be at the cost of $10 or like 1047 for it to work, but you can definitely line it up. I saw these orange tags on so many cosmetic products, so definitely I'm going to have to get back to the store and look for some. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.